Silakan adik kita Maisyara. Waduh, sepertinya adik kita Maisyara ini membawa sejumlah besar propertinya nih. Oke, peserta kedua kita ini datang dari MTS DDI Baru atas nama Maisyara. Waktu akan kita mulai pada saat peserta sudah mulai berbicara.
Instead of flying, why did this able fall down? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, good morning everyone. Today is amazing because we are giving help and safety from God. Your Excellency, all the judges, the ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Maisyara, at grade Islamic Junior School DDI of Baru. Today, I would like to tell you about the Newton's three laws of motion. Have you ever heard about a story that I showed you before about the man who lived under an apple tree? An apple flew and hit him in the head. Sound familiar? Can you guess who he was?
Newton.
Yup, he was Isaac Newton. And that's when Newton discovered gravity. He was the first to use gravity to explain the way planets move. Isaac Newton was an amazing scientist from England, born way back in 1642. During his 85 years life, he became known as a natural philosopher, scientist, mathematician, astronaut, religious scholar, author, and much more. Wow, that's a lot of job for a person to have. Mr. Isaac Newton was super smart, and because he figured out why objects move, we call them Newton's three laws of motion. The first is called the law of inertia and explains why things move. It says that an object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion at its speed and direction, and is actually done by another force. So this ball just sitting on the floor won't start moving on its own. It'll just sit there at rest. But if I kick it, my foot would be playing a first to it, and the ball would move. Oh, maybe I kick it hard. Newton, second law, talks about how objects change when a force acts on it. This law says the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it, and inversely proportional to its mass. That just means the acceleration of an object, how quickly That's why, when you're jogging the morning, your speed is already ahead. Why? You are still warming up and panting. Which brings us to Newton's third law of motion. For every action is an equal and opposite reaction. Think of swimmer moving through the water to go. The swimmer pushes the water backward with their hands. That's the action. The water pushes them forward. That's the reaction. The action in reaction is the first. And it's almost equal and states random in exactly the opposite reaction. Ladies and gentlemen, and those answer as a Newton's three laws of motion. Number one, law of inertia. Things stay still or keep moving unless a force changes them. Number two, law of acceleration. The amount of force, mass, and acceleration are all kinetic. The main formula is F equals m times E. And remember, number three, law of action and reaction. Every action is an equal and opposite reaction. Ladies and gentlemen, from this story you can learn that you may not have realized it, but you and I are part of Newton's laws every day, and you might even say we put them in motion. I am Masyara. Thank you for listening, and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam kembali kita Maisyara, luar biasa sekali. Bisa di tengah-tengah kita adik Maisyara berkaya temannya hari ini kecil-kecil cabai rawit, kali ini cabai rawit lebih kecilnya lagi cabai rawit ya. Oke, kita akan mendengarkan komentar dari Bapak Ibu Dewan Juri. Silakan Bapak Ibu Dewan Juri, kita punya waktu 3 menit kepada adik kita Maisyarah dari MTS DDI Baru. Silakan Bapak Ibu.
Okay, thank you for your great performance. So, you discussed about the law of motion from Newton. So, I want to ask a case here. So, for example, we have two objects in which one is greater in mass, for example, the pen and the bottle. The bottle is greater than the pencil or the pen. So we drop them from the same height. Could you predict which objects will be quicker arriving on the ground? The bottle or the pen?
Can you speak Indonesian, please?
Oh no, this is English competition, so I ask you in English.
Mohon maaf Bapak, sebelumnya kami berikan kesempatan kepada peserta untuk kita berbahasa bilingual Pak. Dan kalau misal peserta bisa meminta untuk berbahasa Indonesia, mungkin bisa dibantu Pak untuk.
Or you can answer in Indonesian, it's okay. But my question is in English. Yeah, okay. You can answer in Indonesian, but my question is in English.
Bisa diulang pertanyaannya Bapak? Iya.
Okay.
Mungkin bisa dibantu sedikit Pak.
We have two objects, the pen and the bottle. As you can see, the bottle will be greater in mass than the pen. Both of them are dropped from the same height. I drop the objects from the same height. Could you predict which objects will be the first on the ground, on the floor?
Benda yang diam akan tetap diam. Benda yang bergerak akan tetap bergerak kecuali dengan kecepatan dan arah yang sama, kecuali dipengaruhi oleh gaya lain.
Okay, thank you.
Oke, wow, luar biasa Maisyara. Belum jawab pertanyaan dari Bapak Ibu Dewan Juri kita. Oke, waktunya sudah habis. Kami ucapkan terima kasih kepada Maisyara ya. Tetap semangat Maisyara.